Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm using this medium to call on United Nations and African Union. Is this the way you people you will fold hands and be seeing our leadership killing our youth? These people came out with a peaceful protest. They are the one who organized the woodlums to come and attack them. You can see the way they are extorting our money, flying abroad, buying a sorted car, buying homes and houses in abroad, while the masses are suffering in the country. You can imagine Nigerian politicians, their wardrobe allowance can pay President Donald Trump salary for 6 months. Is this the government? Majority of them, they did not have any qualifications. And they are there controlling people who is qualified, who is doctor. How much are they paying graduate? 60,000, 30,000, 40,000. If you are fortunate to work in the government parastatal, you will see job of 100,000 naira. Why the politicians they are taking millions in salary? Their furniture allowance can pay president of American salary for good 6 months, 1 month furniture allowance. This is very bad, and the youth stood up. How many people graduated from school without job? And then once they finish this, they put their children into the power. This is very wrong. You are using our money to do whatever things you like and kitchen for your families. You forgot the masses who vote under the sun, under the rain, to elect you into the power. This is very wrong. Please, you people need to stand up. You Tinubu and co. Please, you will see what you have started, you will not end it. You know, some Ifa press, they have predicted that you will not end this 2020. Let me go back home. Tó bá ń wẹ àgbo fún yín pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ ṣe yìí, ìsìnkú ọ̀run á bí yín. Torí ẹ ti kán ṣoṣo nírú o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin tó ń gbogbo agbára yóò ń kẹlẹ̀ ní kẹjẹ́. Ìkúnlẹ̀ abiyamọ á bí yín. Àfi tí ó bá jẹ́ pé abẹ́ obìnrin ilẹ̀ gbà jáde nìkan kò, tí ó bá ṣe pé wọ́n tẹ̀jẹ̀ sí yín lórí lóko, tí ó bá ṣe pé ẹ̀ ń gba afẹ́fẹ́ Ọlọ́run ọba sára lójúmọ́, tí ó bá ṣe pé ẹ̀ ń tẹ erùpẹ̀ lẹ̀ mọ́lẹ̀ lójúmọ́, ní tẹ́ ṣe yóò ní bu yín lọ́wọ́. And this will be the end of your career. I've said it before. If you don't repent, this will be the end of your political career. This is not the best way. You are killing the future of tomorrow. If people who have been in politician before you, this is how they are killing you, will you get to where you are today? Just answer me. All these fools, you call yourself leadership. The all politicians who have been in the throne before your generations. If you have been killed as a teenagers, will you be where you are today? Only you, one man, you open your mouth in public that what you have as an asset is beyond the whole state. That you can buy the whole state. Where did you see the money? How much is your salary? And you soldiers, I need to talk to you and all Nigerian forces. This protest, all these people, all the youth, they come out for this protest. They are not protesting for themselves. They are protesting for you people. Don't think because you are in the power, you are working with the military. How much is your salary? They are pushing most of you into the war. Kill you. How many of their children they push into the war front? They are paying you 50,000, 60,000 naira, 60,000 naira. This is very wrong. This is bad government. You think where you continue shooting with people, you think they will not reinforce? They will reinforce. Because when they start this protest, they started it in a peaceful way. It's when you people come out to attack them with wood lumps and claiming innocent. And you expect them to keep quiet when you come outside with wood lumps, with machetes and guns. They are not a donkey. They need to attack back. And for you politicians, you will regret this. You will regret this. This is just the beginning. The best solution is to divide the country so-called Nigeria and let everybody control their own jurisdiction. This is not the best way. Ìsìnkú ọ̀run abiyín o. Alálẹ̀ abiyín. Ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ní lálẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe wà yẹn. Àti tó ń ṣàgbénu yín àti tó ń ṣàgbèrò. Not only end of SARS. End what you call NURTW. They are tout. What is their contribution to the community? They are committing a lot of nuisance to community. Àwọn gangan náà ní aráàlú lára. Iṣẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ṣiṣẹ́ fún ẹ máa force àwọn èèyàn kó mú owó wá owó tíkẹ́ẹ̀tì kí ni? All advanced countries, their transportation is controlled by the government, not by individual. Government is seeing their own tax. You are jobless. Agbèrò lásán kóhun náà òun kọ́lé òun ṣe kíní òun ní mọ́tò rẹpẹtẹ. Àwọn èèyàn tó kàwé ẹ̀tọ́ wá ń fara ni wọ́n. Ẹ̀rọ agbèrò mi gan àgbà ẹlòmíì létí unnecessarily, because this politician, you are using them to victimize people. This is not the best way. Gbogbo ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ ta sílẹ̀ yá bí yín o. Wàláì tàláì súnmọ́ bí láì lẹ́sí láwẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ àwọn tẹ́ ta sílẹ̀ yá bí yín. Ikú dẹ̀ ló máa kẹ́yìn ẹnìkọ̀ọ̀kan yín. Ẹ lè mórí bọ́. Èyí tẹ́ ra wọlé yẹ ẹ lè mórí bọ́. Gbogbo yín àtàwọn ọmọ yín àti ìran yín ìyàwó yín gbogbo àwọn àrọ́mọdọ́mọ yín wọn ò ní nísinmi láti wákàtí yìí lọ. Kò sí ìlú gan tẹ́ máa wò tẹ́ bá sákò Nàìjíríà tó já abroad lẹ sá wá tó bá ti ń rí yín wọ́n máa kóbo yín ni torí ẹ̀ ń ṣèyàn re ẹ máa dán ogun sílẹ̀ tó ń ṣe ẹ sá lọ. And for you, these soldiers, all these politicians, they are pushing you to start war, and they will all run away and push you people to face the war. Remember, you have brothers, you have sisters among these protesters. Even though you are not deployed to that state for your primary assignment, they will deploy you to another state. Remember, your fellow soldier, they will deploy you to another state to kill your brother, to kill your sisters. You're supposed to join hands with these youths to face this foolish politician, to flush them out. They are victimizing people. It's out of frustration you see all these people, they come out in masses. They have been frustrated. You can imagine a graduate without job. They need to fly abroad to be doing what? Slaving work. It's only few of us that is fortunate to work in a very reliable organization. And for those who that they are doing this thing, it's not that they are lazy. Because wọ́n rí kan ṣe kan. And they cannot be stealing. That is why they accept the offer. This is stupidity. Tinubu ò ní kúre o. And for you, Ààrẹ Ọ̀nà Kakanfò, ọ̀rọ̀ ti kàn yín báyìí o. Ọ̀rọ̀ ti kàn yín báyìí. Ẹ lè wò pé bóyá kẹ́ ẹ dákẹ́ bó ṣe máa ṣe wá kẹ́yìn náà lára nìyẹn o. Ó ti di mass defense báyìí. Kò yẹ yín gbogbo ẹ̀yin alágbára lẹ Yorùbá. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó pa àwọn ọmọ yín tán. It's better kẹ́ ẹ dìde. Rise up. This is the time to claim your mandate. Kẹ́ ẹ gba right yín padà lọ́wọ́ àwọn ajẹgúdújẹrá àwọn ọ̀jẹ̀lú tó ń pera wọn ní òṣèlú. Tẹ́ ẹ bá dìde wá ká yín mọ́lé o. Ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ gbogbo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń sọ níbẹ̀rẹ̀ pé if you don't try to protect your territories, they will come and attack you. Àtẹ̀yìn lọ́balọ́ba ẹ̀rí pé ń gan ẹ̀ ṣèfù mọ́sìn. Torí kò sí bó ṣe máa ṣe títí á yí kàn yín o. Ó máa yí kàn yín o. Because ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ó ti di bó lọ òyà mi. Ṣé understand? Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ bá ní kẹ́ ẹ tètè kó jáde. You have to protect all these youth. Wọn kàn lè máa pa wọ́n bí ẹran gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ pera yín lọ́ba tẹ́ pera yín ní politician tẹ́ pera yín kíní. Tó bá yẹ pé bó ṣe pa yín ní màjèsí ni àkùkọ yín ò ní kọ lé ni o. Àkùkọ yín ò ní kọ. Àti wọ́n tó pera ẹ ní Wàsíù Àyìndé. Kò yẹ yín ìjímèrè ò ṣọ́ gígùn. Ó ti gúngi aládìí báyìí gbogbo ogun tẹ́ ń ṣe kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ fún yín mọ́. Kò yẹ yín táláàárọ̀ bá ní kó da fún yín alálẹ̀ òní ní kó da fún yín. gbogbo àwọn àáfàá tó bá wà ń kọ̀rọ̀ tán náà fẹ́ máa bọ lọ́hùn bàjẹ́ fún yín ẹ̀nà tí Bálíánì ọmọ Báwúrà ó dájà gbóni kò yẹ yín gbogbo yín máa ṣègbé gbẹ̀yìn ni ẹ máa gbókú bí ajá ni tó bá ń pín nǹkan rí gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́ ti fàárọ̀ yín kó jọ alẹ́ yín lẹ wà yìí ojú yín ló máa ṣe parẹ́ tọmọtọmọ àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tẹ́ ẹ pa ẹ rántí pé àwọn ọmọ yín náà wà lábroad kò yẹ yín abẹ́ni lórí kò fẹ́ kọ́ mújà kọjá lórí ohun náà kò yẹ yín ápọ̀ ẹ̀yìn náà tó rọ̀ ní pínlẹ̀ kọ̀yìn ẹ wá sàwọn èèyàn dé ewúrẹ́ abatíọ̀ ẹni kan máa pa wọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀yin yóòtù ẹ̀yin náà kẹ́ tó máa jáde ẹ máa tá mọ́ra jáde ó ti dojú ẹ̀ báyìí ẹ máa tá mọ́ra jáde téèyàn bá ti ń di 18 years kó tó kó lábẹ́ ẹlé ẹ̀ tó jọmọ Yorùbá ẹ̀yin òbí ẹrú ọmọ yín gbogbo ayé ta nǹkan kan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn òkígbẹ́ ẹrú wọn torí èèyàn lè máa lọ yàtọ̀ sí kógun ṣẹlẹ̀ gan kí straight bullet lọ bá ẹrú ọmọ yín àsìkò pé mother life láwa ó ti kúrò bẹ́ẹ̀ o ìṣẹ̀ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ exist kẹrù àwọn ọmọ yín ní agbára gidi kò yé yín torí ọjọ́ ìní kọ́ torí ọjọ́ iwájú ni ẹ ti kí Yorùbá jẹ́wọ́ pé Yorùbá làwọn gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ yóòtù yẹn gbogbo yẹn máa tá mọ́ra kẹ́ tó jáde èèyàn tó bá ṣígun fún yẹn ṣígun fún torọ́rọ̀ wọn ò gbójú pẹ̀rẹ́ kò gbójú bọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ báyìí this is stupidity you are all disgrace to all leaders in Africans you so-called animals you are not a leader you are not a woman being ẹranko nìyí ẹranko òun nìyí you exhaust the UN láti to do what to take a lot of money from United Nations that COVID-19 is affecting people in Nigeria. We don't have COVID-19 in Nigeria. You are all liars. You just use this medium to take money from them. Anybody that died of any disease, they should check it properly. It is not COVID-19. It's only all these stupid politicians that have COVID-19 who travel abroad. They are the one who bring this disease and it's within their family. This is not spread all over the nation. They give you a lot of money to give to people for COVID-19. You embezzle the money and you come outside and still saying rubbish. You are all stupid politicians. You can see one politician. You know what is happening in this country, this so-called Nigeria, is very stupid. Millions of naira. One politician said a snake swallowed a millions of naira in his office. You can imagine. And some will say monkey swallow millions of naira in his office. You can see how these people, they are stealing our money. This is a bad leadership. And you all need to be flushed out. If Nigeria cannot be exit, let everybody go on his way. Because you are not promoting the country, you are reversing the country, you so-called politicians. And you youth, you need to wake up. You can see all old cabals who have been in the military, they are the one who pull off their military uniform and come back to civilian to rule you. This is wrong. The retired soldiers will come back as a president. I want to be a president under democracy. The same bad ignorance is still in their heart. This is not the kind of leadership we need. Look at the small African countries. They started yesterday. Now where are they today? They have gone far. They have gone far. So where is Nigeria, the giant of Africa? You are now backward in the list. You politician, you turn majority of the youth to scammers. Because majority graduated from the university, polytechnic, they couldn't find job. The brain they're supposed to be using to be making the country to be functioning, they divert it to something else because of your foolishness. You thief and you say some people they are thief. You are a big thief. You are a big armed robbers. You are embezzling our money. How much is your salary? You are just trying to victimize people in the countries. For what you people you have done, you will regret it. Just watch, you will regret it. Kò sáṣègbè kankan, ayé àtijọ́ Ọlọ́run pẹ́ kó tó mú yàn, láyé ìsìn law of karma ni. Ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni o. Torí ẹ̀sùn aké lórí àwọn ọmọ yín. Ẹ máa fọwọ́ yín báyìí, ẹ máa fi gbọ́mọ sí ni. Torí kò sí ìtẹ́ máa táláàárọ̀ bá ní kó da fún yín alálẹ̀ òní kò sí ìtẹ́ máa jèrè inú gbogbo ọmọ tẹ́ bí pẹ̀lú àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ pa yẹn, torí èèyàn náà ló bí wọn. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe bí ọmọ yín náà wọ́n ṣe bí àwọn yẹn, èèyàn kan náà ló bí wọn. Kò yé yín, ẹ máa gé kábàámọ̀ gbẹ̀yìn jẹ ni. Gbogbo ẹni yòówù tí ò bá fẹ́ kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá kó ní ìlọsíwájú, wọ́n ní àbá tí alágẹmọ bá dá òun lòrìṣà òkè ń gbà. Kò yé yín, èyí tá a sọ lé ní àrọ̀ mọ́ wọn, torí ẹ ti kán ṣoṣo nírù. Ẹ̀rí kí ni ẹ̀rí jà ọ̀ka. So gbogbo ẹ̀yin alágbára ilẹ̀ Yorùbá, this is time for you to stand up and come out to fight for your right, to defend your community. Don't allow all this stupid gbogbo leadership wèrè tó ń dalẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ mú gbogbo wọn, ẹ wọ́ wọn jáde, lọ ká wọn mọ́lé. Kẹ wọ́ wọn jáde. Ìhun tí Ghana fi dáde nìyẹn, gbogbo leaders àwọn tó ń dà ló wọn rú, wọ́n finish gbogbo wọn ni. Ẹ wò ló wọ́n sì, one Ghana cedis is equivalent to $1. Nígbà tó ti pa gbogbo àwọn olórí burúkú tó ń bà lù wọn jẹ́. Àwọn akú mátoku lọ kí ni wọ́n ṣe pè wọ́n náà, amọ̀nà ọ̀run má lè lọ. Ẹ wo èjì Tinubu. Ìwọ tó yẹ pé àforíjì Ọlọ́run ló yẹ kó máa wá, torí from now upward ní Ọlọ́run lè lóhun dé. Àbọ̀wọ́ ló fẹ́ jẹ́. Wo Búrìjí Kàṣàmù bó ṣe lówó tó. Nígbà tí kò bá lálejò gbogbo owó náà dà. Abba Kyari nígbà tí kú dé, gbogbo owó tán jí kó ń sìn ní ṣé wọ́n sin mọ́nù sàárì ẹ̀. Ẹ ṣe máa ń ronú ná. Ẹ ń rò àtibọ̀tán. Irú yín náà máa gbé sínú sàárì báyìí, ejò àtọká àti àkéèké wọ́n ti máa retí yín. Ẹ máa jẹ̀yà títí jíjọ́ gbẹ̀dẹ̀ àlìkíyámọ̀ tí náà máa fi jó yín kú ni. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn rádaràda yìí, ẹ ti fi gbogbo ilé ayé yín mú gbó, tẹ́nu ti bàjẹ́ tán. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kó yẹ yín. Èpè tọmọdé ṣẹ́ fún yín, tágbà ṣẹ́ fún yín, tárúgbó ṣẹ́ fún yín, ó máa ṣẹ́ mọ́ yín lára ni. Àfi tẹ́ bá ṣe pẹ̀lú òótọ́ nìkan ló kù. Àwọn abiyamọ ayé ọ̀run wọ́n ti bínú sí yín báyìí. Ìṣẹ̀dálẹ̀ ó ti bínú sí yín. Ẹ̀dá àwọn ọmọdé ó ti bínú sí yín. Ẹ̀dá àwọn àgbààgbà ó ti bínú sí. Ẹ̀dá àwọn tó pinlẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ó ti bínú sí yín. Ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣìṣe láti wákàtí ìlọ. Àṣìṣe tó mú ewúrẹ́ tó fi ń báyé ẹ̀ lò pọ̀. Ẹ ti kọlù báyìí, ẹ ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣìṣe báyìí. Kò síbi tẹ́ fẹ́ dé tẹ́ máa báyọ̀ náà Ọlọ́run bá pàdé mọ́ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe yìí. Àti gọ́vnà o àti tí ò gọ́vnà o, àṣìṣe ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bá gbogbo yín. Ẹ lọ bá gbogbo aláwo ayé tán náà fẹ́ wẹ ẹ̀gún burúkú tẹ́ ṣe yìí. Gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ́ ẹ pa yẹn, wọn ò ní ṣíwọ́ lẹ́yìn ọrùn yín. Àfi tẹ́ bá lọ pokùnso fúnra yín nìkan ló kù. Ẹ̀mí wọn máa tẹ̀lé yín kiri ni. Torí ẹ pa wọ́n láyè pé ọjọ́. Òkú wọn ò ní nísinmi, ẹ̀yin náà ò ní sinmi. Torí pé àsìkò wọn ò tí ì tó tẹ́ pa àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ẹ̀mí wọn ò ní jẹ́ ìsinmi àfi tẹ̀mí yín bá bọ́ sí. Pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́ ṣe yìí. Ẹ ní nísinmi o. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo owó tó gbé ìbọn tó ní ọlọ́pàá ní àbí sójà àbí woodlums yẹn tó yìnbọn, ò tún fọwọ́ yẹn ṣe nǹkan rẹ̀ mọ́. Àrùn rọpárẹsẹ̀ tọ́lọ́run gbé báyàn lójijì ó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bá gbogbo yín báyìí. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tọ́lọ́run bù ní nǹkan tẹ́ ní agbára, ẹ tá mọ́ra. Kò yé yín. Kán kọjú ìbọn síra wọn, kán máa para wọn. Agbára wà nílẹ̀ Yorùbá. Ẹ má jẹ́ kó dìgbà kan máa ká yín mọ́lé kẹ́ tó ṣe kíni. Kán kọjú ìbọn síra wọn, kán máa para wọn. Ṣẹ́yìn lẹ pa wọ́n ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ ni. Wọ́n ní ọ̀rọ̀ lẹyẹ ń gbọ́, ẹyẹ òun dédé bà lórùlé, ọ̀rọ̀ lẹyẹ ń gbọ́. Ẹ fohùn bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀. Àwọn ẹni bí ẹni ẹ̀kọ́ yìí, ẹni ilẹ̀ lóko. Ṣé ti tàwọn inú àwọn eléyìí gan burú ju Ṣètánì lọ? Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń gbódìdí èèyàn, tẹ́ fi ń ṣògùn torí pé ẹ̀ ń wá agbára. Ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. ẹ pa wọ́n nípa sàárà torí pé ẹ fẹ́ dépò ọlá, ẹ mú màálù ẹ sọ́ dèèyàn torí pé ẹ ń wá agbára, ẹ ti gbàgbé àtúbọ̀tán. Ọlọ́run á bẹ ẹnì kọ̀ọ̀kan yín, ẹ ní kú re.